What is payroll?
Payroll refers to the process of calculating and distributing wages, salaries, and deductions to employees. It includes tracking working hours, calculating earnings, withholding taxes, and paying out the appropriate amount to employees.
What are the components of payroll?
Payroll components include gross salary, total earnings before deductions; net salary, earnings after all deductions; basic salary, a fixed part of the salary, usually a percentage of the gross salary; allowances, additional payments like HRA, transport, and medical allowances; deductions, amounts deducted for taxes, insurance, provident fund, etc.
What is the difference between gross pay and net pay?
The difference between gross pay and net pay is: gross pay, the total amount an employee earns before any deductions like taxes, insurance, and retirement contributions; net pay, the amount an employee takes home after all deductions have been made from the gross pay.
What is TDS in payroll?
TDS, tax deducted at source, is an income tax that an employer deducts from an employee's salary before paying them. The employer then remits this amount to the government on behalf of the employee.
Explain the term payroll cycle.
The payroll cycle refers to the frequency with which employees are paid, such as weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or semi-monthly. It also includes the specific days when the payroll is processed and the payment is made to employees.
What are statutory compliances in payroll?
Statutory compliances in payroll refer to legal obligations that companies must adhere to when processing payroll, such as Provident Fund, PF; Employee State Insurance, ESI; Professional Tax; Gratuity; Income Tax, TDS.
What is Provident Fund, PF?
Provident Fund is a government-managed retirement savings scheme where both employer and employee contribute a fixed percentage of the salary. This fund is paid out to employees upon retirement, resignation, or under certain conditions.
How do you handle payroll discrepancies?
To handle payroll discrepancies: identify the issue, determine the exact nature of the discrepancy. Communicate, contact the employee to explain the issue. Correct the error, make necessary adjustments in the payroll system. Prevent future errors, implement checks to avoid similar issues in future payrolls.
What is the role of a payroll system?
A payroll system automates the payroll process, reducing manual errors, ensuring timely payments, and maintaining records for auditing and reporting purposes. It handles calculations, deductions, and compliances efficiently.
What is the importance of confidentiality in payroll?
Confidentiality in payroll is crucial to protect employees' personal and financial information, prevent identity theft, and ensure that sensitive salary information is not disclosed, which could lead to workplace issues.